Hello everyone. Hope you are having the best weekend ever. I hope everyone is having the best weekend ever. Indlunkulu uMacele noNdlunkulu uMakhumalo looking gorgeous and bedazzling like never before. Ooh, Thixo, I cannot wait for season 9 wothando nesithembu because the hint that we are getting, of season 9 with of uthando nesithembu, it is beyond. We seeing ukubana everyone is happy, everyone is positive. Like you can see the way uMacele and uMakay are laughing their life out. Like you can see nje, there's so much positivity. As always, uMakay looking gorgeous in this lemony dress, and yes, umamkhulu nayo uMacele looking gorgeous than ever, and in this floral two-piece that she's wearing, they both look out of this world. They both look gorgeous. They both look down to earth. They're like on their happiest element ever. We can't wait to see that the drama that is coming with season 9 or Thando Nesithembu. The love, everyone seems to be so much positive, like from Usne to the kids to our Tirelo. I guess nje them because they're like on their best behavior, they're like in their most happiest era. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.